So the Acne Friendly Razor from Dollar Shave Club, not the type of razor that you want to tackle long stubble, I can tell you right away. Okay, in today's video, I'm going to kind of get back to my roots. It's been a little bit since I've done a shaving review. I've been really busy lately, and I've got a beard going again, which is not what I intended to do. But I've got something that will help me get rid of that. And going back to the roots, just something that jumped out at me when I was at the pharmacy. This is Dollar Shave Club's Acne Friendly Razor. Now, I'm not prone to acne, but we all have a blemish or two. Let's be honest. And if you are prone to acne, I could see how shaving would potentially be just a shit show. So this is designed and marketed this way. I'm going to use it to take the beard off, but as per usual, I will do a nice unboxing. So it's got 4 blades, loop strip up top, as I can see. It's got Slip Tech guard bar, and it's a unique lubricated strip. I'm the marketing arm for DSC. Easy rinsing blades, designed to help minimize drag and friction, which I could see would be helpful. And it has a pivoting head. Nice green box. And I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. All right, so let's pull this out. Now, it feels like the DSC razor. It's got this light sort of green and light sort of pastel navy. It's grippy up here. Got a nice hard core to it. And it's got some weight, which is nice. It also comes with 2 cartridges. I think I got this at Walmart for about $9, $10. All right, so if we pull it out, 4 blades, nice pivot to the head, lube strip, rubber guide down here. You know the drill when it comes to cartridge razors. It's a solid looking razor. And again, it feels good. It's not slippy. And it has the promise of lower drag. Now, I can tell you 4 blades are better than 6 when it comes to irritation and, friction. So when it comes to cartridges, less blades are actually more. So I'm going to put some near hot water on the skin. Near hot, I'm going to get some Nivea stubble shave gel, which I don't see on shelves anymore. So I think it was a limited time thing. It's supposed to be for the softening of stubble. I think it works well. It has a nice light fragrance. Again, not sure if it's available anymore. But Nivea makes some decent products. And I'll get right into it. I'm going to start here. And right off the bat, this long stubble is providing a little bit of an issue for these 4 blades. But I'm just going to keep working it. Certainly not designed for long stubble. So this is going to take quite a while. But it's providing a smooth experience. Very, very mild, which I find would be probably very, very good if you're dealing with acne, let's face it. Not the type of razor, though, that you want to tackle long stubble, I can tell you right away. But it doesn't clog. Quick glance underwater frees up all that long stubble. So easy rinse blades are working, as you can see. but we haven't gotten to the real tough stubble yet. But so far, guys, very nice experience. No tugging, no irritation. Just very smooth, very gentle. I'm applying light pressure just to try to get to the root, sort of scoop the root of those long hairs. Again, a lot more work than, let's say, a very sharp DE or a Harry's blade or a real sharp Gillette product. But very, very smooth. Very soothing too. There's a calmness to this. The second pass, once I get all this stubble off, will be a truer indicator of like an everyday shave. Look at that. And I'm very impressed that it doesn't clog up. This is the hardest bit. That tough patch right on the chin. Wow. It's really, really struggling with that area. Just loaded. Okay, so now I'm gonna put some more cream on or more gel on. And I'll give it another go. Without all that long stubble. And I find that gels are a nice complement to a cartridge razor shave. So nice, so smooth, no irritation. And much more productive with less stubble. Now, if you're prone to acne, probably want to use light pressure, and you may not want to do the against grain shave that I'm doing here. Again, I am not prone to acne, but every once and again. No fear with this razor of nicking yourself. You see how quickly I'm addressing all the areas. I like the slimness of design with the DSC blades. You can really get into the nooks and crannies. Again, light pressure. And pretty nice. And my sideburns, I'm not loving. Not loving that Doesn't feel that precise, but that's maybe just a trade-off for having a nice, smooth, easy, comfortable shave. Very nice. All right, so the Acne Friendly Razor from Dollar Shave Club, I'll put a link in the description box so you can try it out. Again, about $10 at Walmart. You can buy it on the store within YouTube. Have it shipped to you. And just a quick, easy, carefree shave. Now, if I were using the right tool to dispatch all that hair, I'd probably go with either the stubble eraser from Schick or One Blade, or a double-edged razor, which would have taken that long growth off like a hot knife through butter, let's face it. But this gives you the added benefit, the calmness, the serenity, the comfort. There's just no hard edge. There's no irritation with this razor. So I think it would provide good protection for those of you who might be dealing with, some acne here or there. And that's irritating, guys. So again, I want to thank you for watching. I'll see you next time, whenever that may be. But in the meantime, you know what to do. Keep pushing. Play. Now roll the music.
Took you like a shot, thought that I could chase you with cool.